going on, guys? I'm back again. Today I'm gonna be building DIY trolling motor splasher. Drill a hole right there, and then I'm gonna put the all thread bolts in there. I got one more hole to drill. As you can see in there, it's got plenty of room for you to add a nuts, jam nut or whatever you got to do. So I'm gonna drill another hole. Got the holes drilled. I just have this laying around instead of buying a new one. Well, they made one without the blade. It's like $70. So I just got this laying around, so I'm gonna build one myself. Look like I got a little bit of snag. As you can see, that bolt is sticking up, so when I install it, it ain't gonna be flush. But it's okay, I can drill another hole. All right, this one barely clears it, but I think I'm good now. That is the second last shot I have, because the rest of it you can't drill. The blade is in the way. So I got one more hole to drill. Looking good. So now I just gotta cut that off, or maybe weld a cup to that, and should be good. Well, there it is, guys. Quick and simple. Did not cost me anything. So now I just gotta, that hex on end fit perfectly on that caps. So all I gotta do is just put a glue, like Gorilla Glue, and should hold it. It's pretty tight when I push it in there. So I'm happy with it. See if it works. Luckily, I got two separate trolling motor, because I had to set it up for power brakes, and this one is a different shaft, different blade. So this one fits. So let me get this wire off. All right, this blade is a slightly deeper than the other one I had. So the only way to still be using this, I gotta grind this down so that pin would sit inside there, so it just barely touch it, because this lip is in the way. So I'm just gonna grind it down. Should be deep enough now. I had grind past that lip and even further down. So this lip does not matter. This is what matters, if it sits flat into the trolling motor shaft. So let's go test it out. See, when I tighten a little bit too much, it won't even spin because of that lip. Now all I gotta do is just loosen it just a hair, and that's the lip I'm talking about. I might have to grind just a little bit more. Yeah, there it is. So I don't have to grind this off. I'm just gonna leave it. So that is when I need to swap it out, use it as a brake. So I can lower it down to about that height just for the cup to hit the water, and that should be good. So can't wait to test it out. Right there, guys. It looks pretty even out. It's got to be on reverse, because if you do it forward, it might be too fast. Let's try it. No. Feel the shake. Yep. Reverse is the where I gotta put it on. I just gotta glue this side. I glued it last night and it should be good to go.